Are you struggling to keep your blood sugar under control? Do you feel you're constantly fighting a losing battle? In this video, I'm going to show you 8 blue food secrets that will help reduce blood sugar and make life a lot easier. Hi, my name is Matthew, and if you're watching, then chances are you're looking for ways to reduce your blood sugar. Well, don't worry, because I've got just the thing for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 blue food secrets that have been proven to work time and time again. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. Blue foods are like the sky and the ocean. They are blue, but they also look good and taste good. Researchers have found that some blue foods have amazing health benefits and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. There are many types of blue food. You can find them in nature or in the deep sea. They can add drama and nutrition to your plate. So stick around to discover which blue food can help to lower cholesterol levels in the body, and which starchy vegetables have diabetic-friendly blue counterparts. Plus, find out what mysterious blue drink takes today's top spot. Keep your blood sugar under control by adding these incredible blue foods to your plate often. Number 8. Blue cheese. Some studies show that countries where a lot of cheese is eaten have less cardiovascular disease. But if you want to eat the healthiest kind of cheese, you should eat blue cheese. Blue cheese has a lot of saturated fat and cholesterol, but it's still healthy. This cheese has 30% less cholesterol and 20% less saturated fat than cheddar cheese. The blue veins in traditional blue cheeses, including Stilton, Gorgonzola, Roquefort, and Denna Blue, are actually pure mold before the ripening process begins. Some hard and soft cheeses have penicillium spores added to them. This gives the cheese a sharp, blue taste. A recent study found that these types of penicillium cheese have high levels of fungal compounds that can help inhibit the production of cholesterol in the body. Some modern statin drugs, which are used to lower blood cholesterol, are made from a type of fungus that is found in blue cheese. A 1-ounce serving of blue cheese provides you with 6 grams of protein and only half a gram of carbs. That means it won't raise your blood sugar and, in fact, its protein content can help your body slow the digestion of sugar from other carb-heavy foods. That is one reason why doctors and dietitians recommend pairing any carb-rich foods with healthy sources of protein. Blue cheese can be an excellent anti-diabetes protein choice. Scientists have found that blue cheese can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that eating blue cheese regularly can help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent arterial inflammation. Blue cheese has some health benefits. Research has shown that people who eat blue cheese regularly have a lower risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Blue cheese also contains important probiotic properties, which can improve gut health and the gut microbiome. This can be especially important in your fight against diabetes. Number 7. Blue corn. Some doctors have said that you should not eat a lot of corn because it is very sweet. Corn can have a lot of sugar in it. Some of the sweetest corn has up to 50% sucrose. Corn also has a lot of starch in it, but this is mostly found in yellow corn. Blue corn consumes energy to produce pigment, giving this form of corn its distinctive bright, stunning appearance. This process results in the plant having less sugar storage capacity. That's why white and yellow maize and products are available. Like chips and flour, blue corn products contain more carbohydrates than other types of corn. However, blue corn also contains around 30% more protein than white or yellow corn, which helps to slow the introduction of sugar into your bloodstream. Blue corn has a lower glycemic index score than white or yellow corn. This means that it is better for people with diabetes. However, you should still watch your portions because all types of corn are high in carbs. Eating modest amounts of blue corn can bring some major anti-diabetes benefits, while white or yellow corn can contain high quantities of rapidly digestible starch. Blue corn offers more slowly digestible and insoluble starch. That is another main reason why the GI of blue corn is lower than yellow corn, and why it might not spike your blood sugar. Meanwhile, when you opt for blue corn, you're not only getting less sucrose, Angelus-soluble starch. Anthocyanins are beneficial for your health. These substances allow muscles and organs to absorb more glucose, which in turn helps to lower blood sugar levels. Scientists have found a link between high levels of anthocyanins and better insulin sensitivity. If you like corn, but don't want your blood sugar to go up, try eating blue corn instead of yellow. Number 6 is blue potato. Just like corn, potatoes are often avoided by those suffering from diabetes because potatoes are known to have a lot of quickly digestible starch. But just like corn, not every type of potato is the same. You can take advantage of less starchy blue varieties of potatoes. Blue potatoes are a great source of anthocyanins, which are helpful in reducing harmful LDL cholesterol levels and improving heart-healthy HDL cholesterol levels. Blue potatoes contain a specific type of anthocyanins called HITS units, which have been found to reduce oxidative stress in cells and gut bacteria. Blue potatoes are a good source of nutrients that can help fight diabetes. These nutrients include vitamin C, selenium, and the polyphenolic compounds caffeic acid and chlorogenic acid. Additionally, blue potatoes are rich in the blue anthocyanin malvine, which can aid arterial health. Blue potatoes contain more potassium than bananas. They also have resistant starch, which can help lower blood sugar levels and improve gut health. Potatoes of all colors contain the anti-inflammatory anthocyanin antioxidant, which studies show can work to lower the risk of atherosclerosis. Research also suggests that consuming delphinate-enriched foods can help type 2 diabetics lower their doses of diabetic medication, and it can even work to reduce the risk of developing diabetes. So make room on the plate for a small serving of blue potatoes, especially if you want to stay healthy. The newer and bluer the better, but what could be better than a blue potato? Try it. Number 5. Blue tomato. Tomatoes come in many colors. They are all good for you and have many health benefits. For example, all types of tomatoes have lycopene. Lycopene is a pigment that helps improve cholesterol levels, the immune system, reduce the risk of cancer, slow aging, and more. Scientists have found that blue and purple tomatoes are more nutritious than other colors of tomatoes. This type of tomato is not usually found in nature, but it has been bred by scientists. Oregon State University professors bred tomatoes for 12 years to create the indigo rose, a blue tomato that contains antioxidants found in blueberries. Studies have shown that blue tomato extract can help reduce oxidative stress. This is because they contain penogens, the same antioxidant anthocyanins which give blue potatoes their health benefits.
Blue tomatoes are also a good source of vitamins B, C, E and K.
Magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium and lycopene. These colorful tomatoes offer many incredible health benefits specifically related to diabetes. So blue tomatoes can help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, slow the onset of macular degeneration, boost immune system health, prevent the buildup of LDL cholesterol, decrease the risk of prostate cancer, inhibit the development of blood clots. And they can even help to better control glucose levels for your next salad or sandwich. Number 4, damson plum. Most plums are purple, but the blue damson plum is a bit different. It has a blue sheen, and it is more tart than other plums. People usually don't eat damson plums raw, but they are good for making jams and baked desserts. Damson plums are a great source of nutrients that can help fight diabetes. These plums have vitamins C and K, calcium, and potassium. They also have trace amounts of copper, iron, manganese, and phosphorus. Damson plums are a good source of antioxidants, including polyphenols. That's why it's been reported that damson plums and pretty much any type of plum can help reduce inflammation, improve circulatory system health, aid bone health, lower blood pressure, increase healthy HDL cholesterol levels, and improve post-meal blood sugar balance. Damson plums have a higher sugar content than other plums. If you make jam from these plums, it will contain less fiber than the fresh version. You should be careful not to eat too much of this type of plum. Organic damson plums can help improve your diabetes control. Eating a little of jam or taking a few bites of fresh fruit can make a difference. Number 3, lingcod, also called buffalo cod. Blue lingcod are a type of cod that is found in the waters off the west coast of North America. Scientists think that their blue color comes from eating algae that is green and blue. However, once cooked, the lingcod becomes white and deliciously flaky. Like other fatty fish, lingcod is low in calories, saturated fat and carbohydrates. However, it is high in protein and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3 fats in conjunction with the anti-diabetes medication metformin can be especially effective at lowering triglycerides. Omega-3 fats improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing the chances of abnormal heart rhythm, slowing the development of arterial plaques, and decreasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Some research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help lessen the symptoms of diabetes, like diabetic retinopathy. Lingcod is a good source of the B vitamin niacin. Niacin has been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels. It may also work to reduce triglyceride levels. So this blue fish can be a delicious centerpiece for your next heart healthy diabetes fighting meal. Number 2. Honeyberry. Blueberries are more purple than blue, but there is still a true blueberry. Haskell-App, or honeyberry. Honeyberries taste like a mix of blueberry raspberry and elderberry grown from the blue honeysuckle bush. It's sometimes referred to as the honeysuckle berry, and this elongated blueberry is a nutrient powerhouse. In fact, has caps contain twice as much vitamin A and 4 times as much vitamin C than regular blueberries. Honeyberries are a great source of bone health, calcium, and potassium. They also have high levels of antioxidants. In a study, it was found that honeyberries had more antioxidants than other popular berries. Another study also found that honeyberries had more anthocyanins than other less-known berries. That is why the honeyberry is associated with anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity. Studies also show that their anthocyanins can help reduce the negative effects of UV radiation, supply liver protection, increase insulin sensitivity, and aid glucose stabilization. But these berries have another unique gift. Iridoids are plant-based antioxidants that have been shown to help lower blood sugar levels after meals. They also help the brain sense glucose levels, which can help prevent diabetes from developing. The blue honeyberry can help prevent diabetes. We have been telling you all about the power of blue foods. Now, it is time for the number 1 food. It is fresh, tasty, cool, and blue. Number 1, borage leaf tea. Yes, our top blue food is a drink. The borage leaf, also known as the starflower, has a blue flavor and is full of vitamins B and C. The blue borage leaf contains a lot of important nutrients like gamma-linolenic acid, beta-carotene, malic acid, and rosmarinic acid. Research shows that rosmarinic acid has effects similar to insulin in the body and helps to regulate enzymes which break down carbohydrates. So this means that rosmarinic acid can help stabilize post-meal glucose levels. Malic acid may work to slow the liver's production of glucose. Beta-carotene is very good for eye health and can help to slow the development of diabetes-induced macular degeneration. Gamma-linolenic acid is essential for brain function, and studies have shown that it may help in the treatment of diabetic neuropathy. Leaf tea that has been foraged also contains plant tannins, which are helpful because they provide antioxidants and work to reduce oxidative stress. They can also be beneficial for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that tannins can help with glucose uptake. You don't have to limit yourself to just foraged Burga leaf tea, you can also get the benefits from the starflower by eating blue flowers from the borage plant, as well as its stems, leaves, and roots. You can chop the flower and sprinkle it over your salad. So there you have it. If you are suffering from high blood sugar, don't worry. Just eat these 8 amazing blue foods. Adding blue to your plate will just make it look good. But it will also be good for your body. Have we missed any other powerful blue foods? Let us know by commenting below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now go have yourself a diabetes fighting day.